Hello brosis, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to replace the gas strut on window on any cars, and I'll show you how. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to replace this gas strut on the window. I've already done the other side. Forgot to video it, but when you do this kind of a job, you need to put the ladder on top here so that it will hold it, and also you need a assistant like this one, a handsome guy. Okay, all right, so I will show you how to do it. Okay, video it. You just have to unlock this because this one's got a lock spring. So if you remove that, there is a space for putting the to insert the Phillips screwdriver, and you just put like that and start pulling out just like that. Yeah, that's the O-ring lock for this one. So now you can just pull it. There you go. Just pull like that, and then here. Okay, because we put already the other one there, because this one here is not good anymore. So in order to just have to put it back, the one, just in case you need a spare one day. So we just put it back. This, you need this you need this kind of tools. I'm just gonna put it back where it was, because you might need this one day. There you go. Now let's put it back where it was. Well, now next one is to pull this one. This one, you don't need to touch this. Okay, so we just have to remove the ring again, this side. See how it's easy to remove it. So you just do that and hold in one here so that it doesn't flew out. There, it's gone. Okay, so you just put it back like this. Okay, now we have this one here to clean it with brake cleaner. Okay, we're gonna use a brake cleaner and spray that. Now we put it back, the new one. We have a new one. This is for 2006 Jeep Commander. This is the sorry, it's 2024. It means it's a new strut. So that's the company. You wanna buy it, but I bought this one from eBay. Okay. Okay, the wrong way. This way. This one. See this one? Yeah. It's wrong one. This one. It's a long one. Yeah, there you go. The big one is the one that goes here, and the small one is the one that goes here. So all we have to do is to lift it up and lock it. That's it. It's all done. You don't want to miss my video, make sure to ring that bell.
Say what?